If you're coming to Florence, here's a few things you should know about using ATMs, cash, and credit cards. My name's Rob Murgatroyd, and I've been living in Florence with my family since 2021. Some of the more common questions we get when we host our group trips are, does Italy take US dollars? Can I use Apple Pay? How do I get euros? Let's dig into it. The only currency accepted in Italy is the euro, not US dollars. You can order euros from your home bank before you leave, or you can get them from a bank ATM when you land, but you should know not all ATMs are the same. You want to only use the ATMs that are attached to a bank. Those standalone machines in tourist areas that just say ATM, skip them. They charge crazy fees and they have terrible exchange rates. Now, here's the thing that most people don't know. When you use the ATM, first change the language to your native language. When you withdraw the cash, the ATM is going to ask you, do you want to convert the transaction to your home currency? Always say no. That's a hidden markup of 5 to 20%. That turns your €100 withdrawal into a €120 withdrawal, and that's on top of the ATM fee that you may also be paying depending upon the type of card that you're using. And the same thing happens when you pay with a card at a restaurant or at a store. The machine will ask you if you want to pay in dollars or euros. Choose euros to avoid those additional fees. Also, before you leave home, make sure that your credit card has no foreign transaction fees, because if it does, you're going to be paying an extra 3% on everything. The good news is Apple Pay and Google Pay work pretty much everywhere now. Restaurants, museums, cafes, even in small shops. But you're still going to want to have cash on you for small purchases like water, paid toilets, tips for tour guides, small tips for restaurants. They're never expected, by the way, but they're always appreciated. Italian card machines don't typically have a tip line. If you want to leave something, it's cash on the table. So for ATMs, stick to banks. For credit card payments, always choose euros, and keep a little cash on you for tips and small purchases. Now that you've got your money sorted, you're going to need to get around the city. Watch our video on addresses, because addresses in Florence can be very confusing. And if you want to grab our Florence favorites list, scan the QR code and we'll send it right to you.